second unit, basic algebra. Let's see. First, rational numbers. Here I want to revise all the type of numbers, means number systems. First, you know that the numbers start from 1. It's called natural number. So the numbers start from 0. It's called whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So next, integers. Integers denoted by Z. So etc. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So negative numbers also is there, positive numbers is there, 0 is there. So in Z, whole number 0 to 1, 2, 3 whole number is there, and natural numbers also in Z. Okay, so plus negative numbers. Next, a rational number is denoted by capital Q. So it's in the form of m by n. M by n. N is not equal to 0. Any number can be written in the form of m by n. It's called rational number. Okay, rational number. Okay, so example, in rational number, within rational number, natural number is there, whole number is there, integers also is there. Because if we take any natural number 2, we can write as 2 by 1. So this is in the form of p by q. Whole numbers also 0 by 1 is 0, like that. Any integers -5 means -5 by 1. Okay, so these numbers are also irrational numbers. And next, p by q form any numbers 1 by 2, -3 by 4. These numbers are called rational numbers. Some decimal numbers also called rational numbers. The decimal numbers can be written in the form of p by q. It's called rational numbers. Okay, so these are the number system. Okay, next time we're going to see number line. A number line in a rational number. So number line in a rational number, we know that number line horizontal and vertical intersect at origin 0, 0. 0 represent the origin, and 0 to here x axis, here y axis. So right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers, upwards positive numbers, downwards negative numbers. And here 0 to 1 means denoted by 1 units. 1 to 2, here also 1 unit. So suppose 1 by 2 is there, 0 and 1. In between 0 and 1 is 1 by 2. It's a rational number. Okay, p by q form rational number. So maybe this question asked in your public exam creative question. How we fill the whole line with a rational number? Whole line with a rational number. ஸோ இந்த லைனை வந்து ரேஷ்னல் நம்பரை மட்டும் ஃபில் பண்ண முடியுமா அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. த ஆன்சர் டு த above question is no. As the following consideration demonstrates, consider a square whose side has 1 unit. Then by Pythagoras theorem it has the length √2. So √2 values இருக்கு. So √2 is a irrational number. Irrational number means the number not converted in the form of p by q or m by n form. ஒன் டெசிமல் நம்பரை m by n ஃபார்மில் நம்ம கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண முடியலனா that number is called irrational number. ஸோ ஒரு ஹோல் நம்பர் லைனும் என்ன பண்ண முடியாதுன்னா ரேஷ்னல் மட்டும் எழுத முடியாது, irrational நம்பரும் வரும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அதுதான் the answer is no. The following consideration, that means இதுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ 1 இருக்கிற ஒரு சைடு இருக்கிற ஒரு ட்ரையாங்கிள் எடுத்துக்கலாம், ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள். ஸோ இது √1² + 1². ஸோ √1² 1 + 1 2. ஸோ √2 is a irrational number. ஸோ இதோட டெசிமலில் வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியாதுன்னா 0.414 போயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ இதை வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியாதுன்னா m by n ஃபார்மில் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் கால்ட் irrational number. ஸோ a number line also has irrational number, not only rational number. So the answer is no, not possible. Okay, so irrational numbers பார்க்கலாம். So √2 is not rational number. It means irrational numbers no prove பண்ணோம். This is very important repeated question. Theorem 2.1, √2 is not irrational number. Suppose that √2 is a rational number. In this sum we are going to prove that contradiction method. Contradiction method means we take oppositely and prove that we are taking is wrong, therefore that's a contradiction, the proof. It's called contradiction method. Okay, let's see how to prove √2 is not a rational number, that is irrational number. Suppose √2 is rational number, contradiction not rational prove பண்ணோம், but we take rational number. So √2 rational number எடுத்துட்டா that it can be written in the form of m by n. M and n are positive integers. Okay, positive integers with no common factor greater than 1. No common factor greater than 1. m க்கும் n க்கும் எந்த காமன் ஃபேக்டரும் இருக்காது, சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ண ஒரு நம்பர்ஸ். சப்போஸ் காமன் ஃபேக்டர் இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஸோ 4/6 இருக்குது. ஸோ இது காமன் ஃபேக்டர் 2 டைம்ஸ் 3 டைம்ஸ். ஸோ 2/3 தான் நம்ம ஆன்சரில் எடுத்துருப்போம். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து என்ன இருக்குன்னா காமன் ஃபேக்டர் இஸ் 1. ஸோ லைக் தட் வி டேக் m by n. ஸோ இங்கே காமன் ஃபேக்டர் இஸ் 1. ஓகே, p by q ஃபார்மில் ரேஷ்னல் நம்பர் எழுதும்போது அதோட காமன் ஃபேக்டர் வந்து என்ன இருக்குன்னா 1 தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஆல் m by n have common factor 1. okay, so first √2 is not a rational number prove பண்ணோம். Suppose we take √2 is a rational number, then it can be written in the form of m by n, where m and n are positive and common factor 1. okay, next cross multiplication. so cross multiply பண்ணா √2 into n equal to m. so √2 cancel பண்ணனா squaring on both side. so square பண்ணும்போது root cancel ஆயிட்டு √2 square is 2 not 4. √2 square is 2 and n square equal to m square. okay, Okay, next, which implies that m square is even and hence m is even. Okay, so m square on the even number vandirukku because m square value is in multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 la irundha then m square is even number. M square even na then we take square root, that number also even, then m is even. Okay, so m even number now we take general even number multiple of 2 into some constant k, then we have here substitute m value here. So n square equal to m square value is 2k whole square. 2k square, 2 square is 4, k square is k square, which gives n square equal to 2 cancel 2 times, so which give n square equal to 2k square. So n square also common factor, sorry, multiple of 2, therefore n square also even, then n is also even. So m is multiple of 2 and n also multiple of 2, there is a common factor 2. Therefore this is contradiction of our assumption, therefore root 2 is a irrational number. Okay, let's see again. Root 2 is rational number. Then we can write as in m by n. So m and n are positive integer with common factor 1. Okay, next cross multiplication, n root 2 into n equal to m. Squaring on both sides, we get root 2 square is 2, n is n square equal to m square. From these, m square equal to 2n square, therefore m square is even number because multiple of 2 even, then m is also even. Okay, so we assume that m is even number, so it's multiple of 2, some constant k. So we substitute m value here, then we get 2k whole square equal to 2n square. So 2k whole square is 2 square is 4, k square equal to 2 into n square. So 2 cancel 2 times, therefore which implies n square equal to 2 times of k square. Therefore n square also even number, n square is even, which implies that n is also even. So m and n have the common factor 2. Therefore this is contradiction of our assumption. So what is our assumption? Root 2 is rational number. So we got contradiction. Therefore root 2 is not a rational number. That is, root 2 is irrational number.